Hello beautiful ladies, this is the one-stop store where you can get all the beautiful items you need for Christmas. Beautiful UK tops. As you can see, all these are UK tops. If you're looking for where to get your good quality unique UK tops, just stop by at my store. Any kind of dresses you can think of, I got you covered. Just stop by at my store. Dresses that you won't see anywhere, it's only me. See them, all these are available at the store. See them, beautiful dresses, beautiful unique dresses. I got you covered for your party, wedding, two-piece. See them, name it. In fact, a whole lot that I can't even show you guys. If I want to start showing you guys myself, we won't leave here today. So at least you've seen one or two. And my UK skinny jeans, I have the best skinny. When it comes to skinny, I have the best. See them. Just stop by at my store. This is Zara skinny, plain skinny. For those that don't want stones, these are the plain ones. See them? These are the plain skinnies. These ones no stone, because some customers I don't want stones, I want them plain. See them. See our mom jean. See our mom jean. Our mom jean, any kind of skinny, we got you covered. Just start coming to the store. Our perfumes, shoes, like what I'm wearing, quality unique shoes. See them, we got you guys covered. Wristwatches, it's just a one-stop store. Whatever you're looking for, sneakers, we have them. Sneakers. What are you looking for? Nice bags, any kind of stuff, I got you covered. Just stop at my store and you won't regret it. See them, long dresses for weddings, long dresses for wedding, any kind of dress you're looking for, we got you. What are you guys waiting for? Start coming to the store for your Christmas beautiful dresses. I'm just showing you guys just a little, so you guys will know what I have. This is two-piece. These are two-piece, party, office, any kind of dress. My store is a one-stop store that anything you are looking for, you won't regret coming to our store. This is the two-piece. This is the two-piece. What are you waiting for? Unique is only in my store you can get unique and affordable stuff. See them, and office dresses for my office people. I know you guys will be saying, she doesn't have office dresses. I got them, office dresses. All I need you is just to stop by, and I have the unique. These are office, so you won't say, she doesn't have work dresses for us. I have them. What are you waiting for? Just start coming. Start coming. See them. See them. Office dresses are waiting for you guys from size 0 to 52, 54, any size. I do plus sizes, 0 to plus sizes. I have all your sizes. Don't say no, she doesn't have my size. I have your size. All you need to do is just to stop by at my store and look what we have for you guys for Christmas. Work people, just stop by. I got you covered for your lovely dresses, your lovely bags, top, skinny jeans like what I'm wearing, shoes, name it. This is a unique one-stop store for you guys. Thank you, love you guys. Can't wait to see you guys at my store. I will be the one to serve you. I'm here for you. I will be available for you guys. All are unique UK tops. It's only in my store you can get those beautiful UK. You know, because of the exchange rate, so people are scared of going to London, but I'm not scared. I like giving my customers unique and quality stuff. Whatever it will take me to give you guys quality and unique tops, I got you covered. Just stop by at my store for your beautiful, see them. These are beautiful tops.